How to make the duotone effect. Today's video is sponsored by Tony Hawk. Open the Fusion page and disconnect your clip from the out point. Bring a background node in empty space and connect it to the out point. This one is the base of your duotone effect, so change the color to your liking. Add a merge node after the background. Select your first clip and add a luma key after. Bring another background node in empty space. This one is the second color of the duotone, so it's better to set it to some complementary color. Connect the luma key as a mask to this second background node, and then to the merge as a foreground. Select the luma key node, and bring down the high value to your liking. Bring down the gamma slider to get stronger mask. If you have a terrible taste, you can increase the blur slider also. Play around with the expand slider to adjust the quality of your duotone effect. I'm not sure what we can do with this effect yet, but definitely I'm going to experiment more with this one. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I'm not gonna sleep again.